Hey everybody, we're officially done with quarantine. My family's got a clean bill of health so we can get away from the house and cook something. Let's do it. Fire. Hey y'all, Bear here. It's camp cooking time. That's right, I'm hungry, and today I got a recipe from Country Living. We've got rosemary garlic chicken. Here it is. All right, now that's their recipe for a slow cooker, but I'm gonna convert it and we're gonna do this guy in some foil packets on the grill. You see the smoke? Grill's getting ready for us. So what we've got here today is we've got salt, black pepper, rosemary, oregano, chicken thighs, bone in, skin on, green olives with lemon and rosemary, and garlic, onion, lemon, and red potatoes. So I'm gonna get everything prepped up and we'll build a couple foil packets and throw it on the grill. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is take this chicken and go put it back in the cooler because we gotta be food safe even when we're at camp, right? And I just want to cut these into chunks so I can stick with a fork and put in my mouth. And today I'm using my Buck Max Light. This is quickly becoming my favorite small kitchen knife for camp. I'm going to give my garlic a rough dice. They use a lot of garlic, and just the cloves, they don't say to dice them. So you're going to get a less flavor release out of that. But the more you dice garlic, the more you cut it, the more you wound the garlic bulb, the more flavor that's going to come out of it. We'll give each foil packet half an onion. And I'm going to leave these in pretty big chunks so they don't cook away on us in there. But again, something that I can stick with a fork and eat. And we need a little pepper. Some salt. I'm going to take the liberty to add a little bit of olive oil. Now, here comes decision time. So, I can pick these leaves and we can eat those. You could probably eat the little stems and they're fine. But you're probably not going to want to eat the big woody ones. So, we've got some fresh oregano. The other thing we could do was just put the oregano in as a bunch and then remove it when we were finished cooking. Rosemary, I'm going to give it a little dice. Chop it down a little bit. Alright, so what Kingsford tells us on their grilling foil is it's non-stick on the dull side, so that's where we want to put our food. I'm going to do a double wrap. It's going to do two things for us. It's going to create a little heat barrier between the heat we're cooking with and the food, so we're not as prone to burning it. And it's just going to protect us from breaking through. While you were gone, I got up a little herb and lemon topping for each foil packet. Now, at home, I washed, patted dry, oiled, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. So we need, let's see, you know what, we're going to do this. This is going to be the easy way. All right, that's about half. Now, we're going on with chicken thigh. We're going to, whoops, get out of there, seed. We're going to lemon up the tops. We're going to add some herb and garlic to the tops. Salt. A little pepper. And now we fold. There we go, one foil packet dinner. Y'all want to see it again? The veggies. Oh, we forgot something in one of them. I'm not opening it back up. Man, nothing worse than finishing your foil packet and looking down and realize you forgot an ingredient. What did I forget, you might ask? We'll get to that. Lemon slice, more herb and garlic. Olives, we forgot the olives in the other one. So I'm gonna add a few to this one and we'll just save them out to go, for you to save out to go along with the other one. I don't know what they're gonna add to this or not add to it. All right, let's go put them on the grill. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna flip them every 10 minutes or so and we're gonna let them cook for about 40 minutes. I don't know if that's right or not, I'm just guessing. Not sure if a man should run around with foil packets one-handed. Let's see how. Let's see. Can you see? Grill ready. And foil packet. Foil packet. And when I flip them, I'll rotate so they cook evenly. Oh, you can hear it already. All right, let's go do something else for a little bit. Let's see what we've got here. Potatoes are definitely done. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're good. Chicken's ready. We can eat. So there we go. Here's our foil packet dinner. Our garlic rosemary chicken. I think we should dig in and see how we did. I had to go catch Mama Bear with the other foil packet. She took off and went home on me. I made one for her too. Yeah, there we go. Let's dig in and see if I cooked her something good to eat. Should we try the vegetables first? Let's try a vegetable. How about potato? I want that one with the rosemary on it. Oh wow. A little onion. About, there we go. A little potato, olive and onion. Man, I'll need that lemon peel. Let's see here. Get in on a piece of this chicken. Well, there you go, y'all. There's your Sunday meal at camp. You do all kinds of stuff in a foil packet. This would be really friendly for a Dutch oven or to do it in a cast iron skillet on the grill also and just top it over. But there you go. I'm gonna eat and we'll see you on the trail. Oh man, those potatoes. I could just do a big pile of those vegetables.